Hello from Islands of Adventure for another Velocicoaster update. Today's a good one because the main construction walls around the first half of the ride are now down, so we're gonna get all new angles of this thing's testing around the first half through all those tunnels and trees and bushes. And we'll take a walk around, of course, as always, and see what else has changed in the area of the Velocicoaster, the new ride opening in 2021, summer 2021, just in a couple months. So the guest view above this second launch tunnel and right in line with that first launch. And then if we look behind, we can see the station, which has windows looking into the paddock. And then if you look close enough, you can see the train actually quickly pulling into the station and stopping.
Do not scream. Loud noises upset the raptor. Everybody calm down. The raptor is freaking out right now. I would never blame anything on a child, but this is her fault and she knows it. If you're gonna cry towards the camera. It'll make a better photo.
so calming to watch.
right there.
You can eat her now.
Eu te levo ou você me leva? Ah, é pro lado da minha casa.
And that's going to be it for today as we watch this train go one more time just behind here in Jurassic Park. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of good testing angles. Hope to see it at night this weekend, so I'll come back and check that out. And thanks as always for watching. I appreciate it so much, and see ya.